All right, I'm going to try and show you how it is that we crimp Cat5 cables. So we're going to need the end here, the actual Cat5 connector. The order that we use is called the B order, which is white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. You should have a crimper, and if you don't remember that order, it's written on the crimper on the bottom. You have the A order and the B order. Okay, so first thing you need to do is strip your Cat5 cable. Take the sheath off. This is how I like to do it, but you can do it many ways. Okay, and we're gonna go obviously that's not too efficient. Depending on which cable you have, you can just pull it, you know, with a little bit of bare strength. Okay. If you have trouble, you know, keep them a little long. All right, I like to keep them about this long, you know, 2 inches. Separate them. Okay, straighten them out a little bit by pulling on them. Okay. Okay, once you've done that, you grab your connector with the flat side facing you, okay, which means the clip is facing away from you, and it's from left to right. So white orange goes in first, okay, and you'll see that it slides through, okay. Then orange, okay, then white green, and you know, make sure they're going in right. It can skip a track, you know, so just pay attention to it because it can happen. So white, green, blue, then white, blue, okay, then green, then white, brown, and then brown. Okay, make sure they're straight, you know, okay, and then grab on them and gently bring the connector down. Okay, once it's down, confirm the order: white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Okay, then kind of twist the top here a little bit. I like to do that. You don't have to do that. Insert it into the crimper, and this is why I like to twist it, so it could get through a little easier. Insert it into the crimper where it is there, and once you crimp it, don't let go just yet. You can kind of break these off there, and then you can let go, and it's crimped. Confirm the order before crimping, and that should be it.